Hey, happy Thursday. Just wanted to check in and let you know kind of where we're at. A lot of us will be traveling next week, and so there won't be something that comes out on Monday. We just want you to know where we're at. So make sure that you know the office status. So we've asked folks as possible to work from home. Most of the team is home most days, but the reality is we got a lot going on that just can't be done remotely, particularly with Catalyst and Economics conferences coming up the 1st of December. There's a lot of collaboration that needs to take place. We're doing it smart. We're social distancing, wearing masks when appropriate. But if you need something from the office, the phones are being maintained 24/7, just as they always are. And so far nothing's fallen through the cracks. I'm sure we'll catch something that won't go right, but we've got that handled. And we'll manage that throughout this crisis. You know, even though the governor said it's a 3-week crisis or 3-week hiatus, we know that the reality is it's probably middle of January before we see significant lifting of these restrictions, as the numbers will continue to climb. We hope that people are well behaved during Thanksgiving, and we see numbers go down and we can see the restrictions go off. But we're prepared, whatever happens, to take care of the community, take care of our clients, and take care of our people. Also want to take the time to thank Clark Logic. Jamie, thank you for renewing your council membership. And thank Old National. The bank doubled their contribution to Southwest Michigan First. And so we're so grateful for that leadership, understanding that in times of these crises, it takes more resources, not less, to meet the needs of the companies, the individuals, and the organizations that we're serving. We want to remind you all of the December board meeting. Originally, we had hoped to make that a hybrid board meeting, but it looks like with the governor's restrictions, we're just not going to be able to do that. And so that will be an entirely Zoom meeting. We've got the superintendent of the Kalamazoo schools joining us to talk about not just Kalamazoo schools, but she's an amazing educator that I can't wait for you to meet. She is a breath of fresh air when it comes to public education, and I'm so looking forward to you meeting her and us having some real quality time together. So excited about that. Outside Magazine just named Southwest Michigan First the 14th best organization to work for in America. The companies that they review and look at are all in creative agencies. So a lot of advertising agencies, architecture firms, public relations firms, people that are office-based that have a lot of creative employees. And so we are so honored to be on that list. I believe it's our 6th time being on that list, and to be in their top 20 really does mean a lot to us. And so we're very excited for the impact and the commitment our employees have. And if you'll remember, that's an anonymous survey that our employees have. So that's self-reporting along with independent interviews of the team. So it's something that we should be proud of. You should be proud of along with us. First and 42, I hope everybody's getting it. I hope you're reading it. If you're not noticing the Sunday edition, please pay attention to it. You're seeing hundreds, maybe thousands of jobs listed on any given Sunday with the scope and scale of a number of the companies. We're also focusing heavily on internships. So we know our strategy to recruit and retain college students, a big chunk of that's on internships. And so we want those listed. So if you've got internships to list, we would love for you to let us know so we can promote those. We now have 18,000 readers with a goal of growing that next year to, Heather will cringe, 30 or 40,000. And I think we can get there. But we want to do it smart, and we want to do it at targeted readers, just not anybody's email address. So we're being smart but aggressive about that. Also, we hope that you're listing the jobs available with your company, particularly in the holiday season, where family and friends are coming back into the community. They're connecting back into the community, even if it's virtually. Then we want to make sure they know about the great jobs that are available here in Southwest Michigan. And through December, listing those jobs is completely free. Now, starting next year, we'll begin to charge for those, and we hope you support that. You see the value in it, because there's not a lot else out there that's going to get you that kind of coverage for such a small rate. But now through the end of the year, it's completely free to list that. So we hope you're taking advantage of that. If you'd like more innovation, Heather Baker can get you that information. Catalyst University is coming up in just about 2 weeks, December 2, 3, and 4, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will wager, and I believe it, it's the best lineup of any conference that has taken place this year. We have incredible powerhouse speakers. We've convinced friends that have spoken with us in the past, people who are having incredible impact to join us. Virtual helps because they don't have to spend a day flying here and a day flying back and a day here, but they're coming on board, and we're seeing brand new things. Ideas come out. Patrick Lencioni, the 5 dysfunctions of a team guy. Pat will be with us unveiling his brand new study and their systems. I commit to you, it'll be an incredible event that you simply won't want to miss. Now, I hope you're signing yourself up. Hope we're signing your teams up, because it really is an important thing that we do together as a community. And I know a lot of you haven't had your teams back since March. This is a great way. They can do a couple hours in the morning, each morning for Catalyst, and then bring them into discussion groups in the afternoon. If we can help facilitate those discussion groups, we'd love to do that. But it really is important that we together learn as a community, engage as a community, if we're going to thrive as a community. There are a lot of great things going on in our town. Unemployment rates are dropping, and this in Kalamazoo County right now, it's about 9,000 unemployed people. We think, and the restaurant folks tell us, 3,000 or 4,000 of those folks are dependent on restaurant and holiday hospitality workers. And so we know that some of those numbers aren't going to come down as fast as we can. But I just saw the state's new seasonally adjusted numbers were at less than 6 points, which means ours are going to come down. I'm going to guess that we're in the 4.9 when the seasonally adjusted numbers come out for us. And so those are very, very exciting. It says things are roaring back. And once we can safely get hospitality back in business, get universities and colleges back, and the students feeling safe spending money in the community, we're going to see our economy come back stronger. We're going to be in a great position because we have been working hard through this, not coasting. And I think we're all going to see first or second quarter of next year incredible opportunities that perhaps we've never seen before in our lifetimes. So I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. If you're traveling, please do so safe. It's a bit like defensive driving. We drive so we don't get hit by the other guy. We wear our masks. We do those things so we protect ourselves from the other guy, and we protect ourselves and our family by doing the right thing. Love you. God bless. We'll see you in a couple weeks.